Hello everyone. Today we will be telling you about market outlook and trading ideas for the week ahead with Mr. Imran Vora, VP Equity Research. Subscribe now and press the bell icon to GEPL Capital's YouTube channel and never miss out on any stock market update and build your knowledge on investment.
Hello friends. In the current week, we have seen that the broader indices has closed at a mark of 17,532 level with a minor weekly loss of 321 points, or in terms of percentage, it was slightly lesser than 2%. Now, here are the few observations for Nifty as well as Bank Nifty, purely from technical perspective. So in the current week, we have seen that the broader indices has made an inside week candle at a record lifetime high level, which shows some amount of sideways movement in the market. On the weekly chart, the Nifty has formed a bearish candle pattern, which indicate a profit booking has happened at higher levels. The Nifty has closed below its 20-day simple moving average on a daily charts, which indicates some amount of caution from short to medium term perspective. Talking about the momentum indicator, the daily momentum indicator, as well as the RSI, has sustained above the 55 mark. However, it is moving downwards, which shows some amount of lack of bullish momentum in the market, at least from short-term perspective. Key support level for Nifty is placed at 17,254 level, which is the previous 4-week low, and below that at 17,055. While on the higher side, major supply is placed at 18,111 and above that at 19,046. Now, in the current scenario, what could be the possible strategy or how to trade the Nifty? Since the larger degree trend is strongly on the positive side, traders should go along with a strict stop loss placing at 17,254, which is the previous 4-week low, for all their existing long position as well as fresh new long position created in the next week. Now let us check how Bank Nifty looks. We have witnessed that the Bank Nifty has moved almost in synchronize with the benchmark Nifty in the current week. In this week, the Bank Nifty has created a fresh lifetime high at a mark of 38,377. However, during the mid of the week, we have witnessed some amount of profit booking, which has dragged down it below 37,300 mark. On the daily chart, the Bank Nifty has formed a lower top, lower bottom formation, but was able to sustain about 20-day simple moving average, which indicates moderate amount of bullishness still persists in this particular indices. Daily momentum indicators are sustaining above 50 mark, which shows positive momentum is at least intact from short-term perspective. Talking about support and resistance level, key support for Bank Nifty will be at 36,151, which is the 4-week low, and below that at 35,708, which is the 20-week simple moving average. On the higher side, major supplies placed at 39,057 fall above that at 41,100. Now for the next week, we have identified 2 stocks which has the potential to outperform the broader indices. First one is M&M Limited, that is Mahindra and Mahindra Limited. One can buy at current market price or slightly on dip around 820 with a stop loss placing at 780. And this stock has an upside potential of 880. Another counter which seems to be bullish is Amara Raja Batteries Limited, which can be bought at 760 with a stop loss placing at 728 for an upside target of 815. So friend, that's it for the current week. If you like our technical commentary as well as our stock speaks, you are requested to subscribe our YouTube channel as well as follow us on Instagram as well as on Twitter. Thank you very much for joining us.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Investors must make their own investment decision based on their specific goals, financial position, and risk appetite. The content provided herewith is purely for information and educational purpose only.